another Melrose Mixes video. I'm Mel and today we're going to be learning how to make a few different variations on a sour cocktail. So the first cocktail that we're going to be making is the classic mojito. Cuba's national drink. It was made in the 1920s and I'm going to show you guys a really simple, easy version to make at home with not much mess and fuss. 6 cut pieces of lime, I'm going to be going straight into my tin here. 3/4 of an ounce of my sugar syrup. I had some leftover brown sugar syrup and just a little bit of simple syrup left, so I combined the two using what I have on hand. And then we're going to be doing a handful of mint. And some people like to pick off leaf by leaf, but there's a heap of flavour in the stems and roots of mint, so I like to keep it all together. So I've got a handful of that. I'm just going to kind of scrunch it up a little bit and just give it a really nice slap. So that's expressing all the oils out and getting a really nice amount of flavour and aroma coming out from there. Now we're going to be doing 2 parts or 60 ml of your preferred rum. I'm using Bacardi today. So that's everything in my tin. I'm just going to give that a nice quick light muddle. Now I'm just going to do a really quick and light whip shake with some crushed ice. Alright, easy. And we're just going to dump that straight in here. Nice and easy and simple. Just going to press that down a little bit and top it up with crushed ice. And now I'm just going to garnish that with a nice big sprig of mint. Okay, I'm just going to give that a light slap. Express those oils out. So that is a classic, easy to make at home mojito. Cheers! Alright, on to sour number 2, we're going to be doing a Hyde Park Swizzle. So, doing the same again like the mojito, we're going to be doing 6 chunks of lime. So I've got 2, 4, 6 into my shaker. We're going to be doing 3/4 of an ounce of your sugar syrup, whatever you have on hand. We're going to be doing a handful of mint. And then we're going to be doing 60 ml of our spirit. So I'm using some Bombay Sapphire Gin. Alright, and that is everything that's going into the tin. You can just build this into the glass, but I just find it easier to combine everything, just giving it a quick shake. And I also don't have a bar spoon on me today, so that means that I couldn't swizzle the drink. So we're just going to be using this technique instead. Alright. Just going to give that a quick shake and dump. Alright. And straight into your glass. Top it up with a little bit of crushed ice. Yep. And we're going to top that with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So So I'm using a Japanese dasher today, so that means I need to use 4 dashers out of this because it has a tighter dasher on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 dashes of Pei-Shei bitters, but we're going to be doing 4 because it's a Japanese. You can add more if you like, but just start with that, and if you want a bit more spice or a bit more complexity to the drink, just add a bit more of whatever bitters you choose, and top it up again with a bit more crushed ice. Alright, I've got my mint sprig. Give it a nice little slap. Alright, and that is the Hyde Park Swizzle. Should have mentioned it was created at Death & Co. in about 2008. Alright guys, we've got one final sour to make, and this is a variation on a Fitzgerald that was originally created by Daryl DeGroff at the Rainbow Room in the 1990s. We're going to be doing a little bit of a strawberry Fitzgerald today. So the first thing we're going to be doing is I've got about 1.5 strawberries here. Chuck those into my tin here. And then we're going to be doing 3/4 of an ounce of our sugar syrup into the tin. We're doing 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, so that equals to 4 in a Japanese dasher. 6 pieces of lime. The original recipe uses lemon, however, I've already chopped up a bunch of lime that I was using in a few different recipes today, so they're just left over. So again, we're just using what we have on hand and trying not to waste anything. And then we're going to be doing 60 mils of our gin. Original recipe uses 45 mils, but I like my drinks a little bit more on the boozier side. And then we're just going to give that all a really good muddle up. Okay, that's really nicely muddled up. Alright, and then we're just going to give that a really quick shake. Strain that into my glass here. And top that up with crushed ice. Garnish that with a whole strawberry. Now this recipe is super versatile, like you could do this with any kind of fruit that you have on hand. That is 3 sour cocktails that are really easy and versatile to make at home using that core sour root cocktail. Alright, well thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in another Melrose Mixes video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to never miss an episode. And I'll see you on the next Melrose Mixes video. Cheers!